Hello mindful people, in this video I will be making a hybrid mouse out of a wireless computer mouse. So recently I noticed that my computer mouse was draining out batteries quickly.
2 weeks later.
Hence over a period of time, it's going to consume more batteries. Let's see the making of this hybrid computer mouse. First you will have to open your wireless mouse. And carefully notice your positive and negative connections, and you will also need a USB type A cable. Here you can use your old USB charging cables. You will also need a connector which you can directly solder in your mouse. So we will be using a circuit to decrease 5 volt to 3 volt. You can take a screenshot of it as reference of the circuit. After soldering everything according to the circuit, your hybrid mouse is ready. You can use your laptop's or PC's USB output port, or you can also use your mobile chargers. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and it would be really appreciated if you share this video.